Understanding diabetes, a quick guide. Ever wondered what diabetes really is? It's more common than you think, and understanding it is key to staying healthy. Let's break it down in simple terms. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. Your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it produces. Insulin is a hormone that acts like a key to let blood sugar into your cells for use as energy. When you have diabetes, too much blood sugar stays in your bloodstream. This can eventually lead to serious health problems like heart disease, vision loss, and kidney disease. There are different types of diabetes, each with its own causes and risk factors. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune reaction that stops your body from making insulin. Type 2 diabetes is when your body doesn't use insulin well and can't keep blood sugar at normal levels. Gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy. Prediabetes means your blood sugar is higher than normal, but not high enough to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. It's important to know your risk factors and get tested if you're concerned. Early detection is crucial for managing diabetes and preventing complications. Managing diabetes involves monitoring your blood sugar levels, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. Some people may also need to take medication or insulin to help control their blood sugar. Working closely with your healthcare team is essential for creating a personalized management plan. Lifestyle changes can make a big difference in managing diabetes and improving your overall health. Remember, you're not alone, and there are resources available to help you live a healthy life with diabetes. If this video helped you better understand diabetes and how to manage it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We break down important health topics in a simple, clear way to help you take control of your well-being. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's keep learning and living healthier together.